The stock market has seen some big winners and some big losers over the course of a wild year in 2020. Mike Reeves of Strategic Wealth Designers joining us now. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Scott. How are you?
I'm doing well. Let's talk about some stocks maybe that are paying big dividends out there. Are you seeing this as maybe an opportunity to buy?
Yeah, I mean, you want to, again, have some safe stuff in your portfolio, some liquidity, but in your market risk stuff, your big technology, it's gone crazy. It's way up. And remember, the stock market moves in cycles, and some of these out of favor names might make sense to own some of those if you can be patient. If you're a long-term investor, at some point Americans want to travel. The airlines, they're probably coming back at some point. Ride sharing, hotels, some of these really good names could be good opportunities if you're patient.
Yeah, I know, like American Airlines, it's basically a third of the price it was, from $13 down from $40. And it seems, Mike, you and I were talking in the break that when things drop, that's when people are saying, you know what? Or when they go up, I'm going to buy in with all the tech. And that's sometimes when they go down.
Absolutely. You want to maintain balance when you invest. So growth is fantastic. It's outperformed for years. However, value and deep value sometimes can be a nice opportunity. When the stock market does its thing, sometimes it goes way too far one way and way too far another. You could own some really deep value opportunities here, but you don't want to go crazy, maybe 5 to 15% of your portfolio. And, if you're patient, maybe you can make 50 to 100%, much like you saw some of the financial stocks way down in 2008, 2009. If you could have been patient with that part of your portfolio, you probably would have done really well. Certainly don't bet your financial house on this thing, though.
All right, let's go ahead and look a little bit ahead. You believe that a vaccine will be kind of literally a shot in the arm for investments before possibly seeing a strong pullback?
Yeah, so when you have that vaccine come out, I think a lot of these stocks understand that Operation Warp Speed, very likely to have some success there, throwing billions of dollars at that vaccine and producing it ahead of time in hopes one of them will work out. Well, they price that in. And so those names that have done so well, they probably have a celebration rally and then start coming back down to their long-term trajectory. However, ones that are, that have really been hurt by the virus, by COVID, they might have an opportunity, actually, those deeply cyclical stocks, to really start to make their run at that time.
All right, you're talking about a pullback. I'm just curious because Congress has put so much money in it. It's kind of hard for the stock market to go down, but sooner or later, you would think that's got to happen.
You do, and you can see some signs. It's not just Congress, though. It's the Fed. So if you look at the 10-year Treasury, mortgage rates are very correlated to that. It's kind of drifted up from 0.5 now to 0.7%. So if you're loaning the U.S. government money over a 10-year period, it's gone from 0.5% interest to 0.7. If it normalizes, which at some point it will, you're going to see, some turbulence in the stock market. At some point, some of the stimulus goes away, and the stock market then has to trade on fundamentals.
All right, always good to get a financial advisor. Mike Reeves of Strategic Wealth Designers. You are one of those. Do a great job here every single Wednesday. Thanks for being with us, Mike.
Thanks, Scott.
All right, Jess, over to you.